What's up, Fit Fam? Super K here today with a glute focus workout. Today we're going to get started with our warm-up sequence. We're going to do some step-ups. Don't worry if you don't have a step. We're going to have a modification for you as well. I don't have a step right now either. Then we're going to go into some side lunges, some high knees, and a quick jog. Then we'll get into that booty burning workout. So let's get started. So we're going to get started with a step up. If you have a step or like a step, you can just do a step up. I'm just gonna do kind of like a tapping. Again, we're just trying to get the heart rate up. Now, if I did have a step, this would be great. I don't want to run over back and forth to bleachers and stuff. It's about using what you have, what's available. We have 10 seconds. Then we're gonna go into a side lunge to get those hip flexors kind of loosened up and fired up. So it's just this. Now, a lot of the moves we're doing today won't need modifications because they're low impact already. If you're really starting out now, this is your first time working along with us, just go slow. You can add a touch to the knee to give you some support. If you're really advanced, try touching the ground. We're gonna go into high knees. Again, if you're just starting out, do like a little march. And if you've been on your fitness journey for a while, try and really get into that workout. It's gonna make the rest of the workout a lot easier, or it's gonna make you really tired. 5 seconds, and we're gonna go into a slow and controlled jog. To bring the heart rate back down. I hope you all are ready for this interval workout. It's gonna be great. 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'll see you for the workout. I hope you enjoyed that warm-up. So we're gonna get started with our HIIT interval for our glutes. We're gonna do some vertical jumps, a low squat pulse, then I'm going to the ground to doing some donkey kicks. Gonna end with some squat jumps. Not end with squat jumps, go squat jumps, and then power jacks. So let's start with vertical jumps. You really want to land softly, bringing everything from low, so you're really getting that nice peach workout. Whew. Halfway there. Some of you might be thinking that, what is a vertical jump gonna do? Are you gonna feel it? Okay, so next workout is going to be low squat pulse. You're gonna really feel that burn. You're just gonna get into a nice squat. Let me stop saying nice so much. Get into a good low squat, good form. And just pulse it out. Kind of like you're twerking. Get it, get it, get it. Just found a lucky penny. Maybe that means more subscribers. And pulse. My legs are already burning. Try and keep those hands up. If you need to, take a second. Let those legs get back in it. Remember, this is intervals. So after you do the first set with me, you're gonna go back through it and go back through it. Get that glute work. I'm dying right now. Okay. So, Super K forgot his yoga mat, but I'm gonna get down on the ground and do donkey kickbacks. We're gonna switch halfway through, and it's gonna really target that glute. Get them going. All you're doing is you're kicking back and really squeeze in with the tushy. Halfway there on this left side. When quarantine started, this was my favorite workout because I could do it anywhere. And I got to go to the ground and switch in 2 seconds. Switch. Whew. I know I'm feeling it already. I hope you are too. So obviously I timed that wrong. You're gonna do a better job at timing it. So now we're gonna go into squat jumps. It's kind of like a vertical jump, but you're going into a wide base of support squat. Whew. Okay, 3, 2. So this, you're gonna hop side to side. If you're really advanced, you can go forward, right, back, left. Kind of like you're just going around the world. If not, just go like this. Just as long as you're getting that explosive energy. My legs are on fire. They're a mess. Get that adductor. Whew. Super starting to sweat. And it's foggy right now too. Okay, last exercise we're gonna do is power jacks. Basically, it's another squat jump. You really put that weight in your heels to get that glute. I need a longer break. Let's start with our hands up. Making sure that you're not just throwing your body around. Everything is with power. With great power comes great booty responsibility. Hashtag booty. Hashtag peach. Okay. So, we just got through our first set of the glute booty workout. If you're already tired, feel free, end it here. But I'm gonna challenge all of you to at least do another set. As always, I'll post all you need to do the workout in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. I'll see you next time. Peace out.